So I am in front of my LG Signature pair, the WM9900 and the matching dryer. What I love about this Signature pair, on top of looking amazing, is just maximum capacity. This washer features a whopping 5.8 cubic feet and its 29-inch frame, while the dryer is a 9 cubic foot dryer. I think there's enough space in there, I could just move it. The LG Signature dryer pair is going to feature some of our favorite LG innovations, like our AIDD 2.0 with the detergent reservoir living right below, with enough detergent to last for up to 18 loads. And of course, it's got 6-motion technology thanks to our direct drive motor and turbo steam, all of the great stuff we expect from a luxury LG laundry pair. On top of that, you gotta check out these controls. So we've got a 7-inch LCD touch panel. So if I go into normal here, I can set my dry level, turn turbo steam on or off, get some wrinkle care, all in this really fun, sleek looking, large display. These are also packed on top of my LG Sidekick, which gives you an extra cubic foot of space to wash your hand washables or the kids' stinky soccer clothes. And then we have the dryer on top of our pedestal for any extra storage needs you might have. If you've got the extra space for a larger laundry pair, definitely take a look at the LG Signature WM9900 set.